Good morning. I'm Ablesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering Technology. This session, we are going to see the subject about entrepreneurship development. The subject code is MG8091. In this subject, we are going to see about the fifth unit, support to entrepreneur. From this unit, we are going to see introduction about the support to entrepreneur. Course outcome. The course outcome of this unit is the summarize the various supports and available to start and small enterprise. What are the supports are available in a society to start a small enterprise? By studying this unit, we will be able to understand the supports available in to start a small enterprise. Small scale industry. Because we are going to start a enterprise, first we have to see about we are going to see about a small scale industry. A small scale industry is an industry with investment limit up to rupees 5 crores in a plant and machinery. Both plant and machinery all should be in between the 5 crores amount. There are types of SSAs are, first one is manufacturing industry, second one is feeder industry, and the serving industry, and the ancillary to large industry, and the mining and quarrying industry. From the first one, the manufacturing industry, these industries produce a complete product for direct consumption and also process industries. Example, the pipe industry, tie making industries are the manufacturing industries. Feeder industry. This type of industries are specified in certain products and services, example casting, welding, etc. The serving industries are cover repair shops necessary to maintain a mechanical equipment for a maintenance, just like creating a spare parts, etc. Spare parts for a automobile, ship, etc. The ancillary to large industry. These industry produce parts and components and render service to the large industries. And the fifth one is a mining or quarrying. This industry is involved in unearthing, breaking of bulk stone, etc. Characteristics of SSI. A small scale industry is a one-man show because the small scale industry will be started by a one-man entrepreneur. The small scale industry has a lesser registration period, the period after which the return on investment starts. And the small industry undertaking is generally localized catering to the local and regional demands. And the small industries are fairly labor incentive with the comparatively small capital investments. Objectives of SSI to generate immediate and large scale employment opportunities with relatively low investment. For creating a immediate employment and in a large scale opportunities with a relative low investment, we can create employment to eradicate unemployment problem from the country. To eradicate the unemployment problems from the country, to encourage a dispersal of industry to all over the country, covering a small towns, villages, and economically lagging regions. To bring backward areas to in a mainstream of national development. To promote the balanced regional development of financial income. Problems of SSI are raw material, finance, marketing, under utilization of capacity, technology, inadequate availability of credit facility, managerial skills. These problems are faced of SSIs because they are started in a rural areas, but they will not have a proper transport, proper raw material, proper labor support, proper technology will not be developed, etc. Cause of small scale industry sickness. There are internal cause and external cause. From this internal cause, there is a mismanagement, wrong location of unit, overestimation, faulty planning, defective selection, adoption of obsolete technology, poor implementation of projects, poor inventory management, unwarranted expansions and diversion of resources, failure to modernize, poor labor management relationship, incompetent entrepreneurs. First one, the mismanagement. Mismanagement in industry sickness caused by the various functional areas of the companies like finance, production, marketing, and personal resulting from the wrong managerial decision. The wrong location of a unit. It is caused due to the wrong location of unit. For example, high technology based project being based in areas without skilled labor or supporting infrastructure. Overestimation. Overestimation of the demand or wrong dividend policy. Faulty planning. Faulty planning of the production in a absence of market analysis. And the defective selection of the plants and machineries, and the adoption particularly in the small sectors. Poor implementation of projects which may be due to improper planning or managerial inefficiency. Poor inventory management is in the respect of finished goods as well as the input. The unwarranted expansion and diversion of resources such as personnel, excessive overhead, acquisition of unproductive fixed assets, etc. The failure to modernize the productivity change to product mix and other elements to market mix to the suit the changing environment. The poor labor management relationship is associated low workers, morale, and low productivity. Incompetent entrepreneurs having lack of knowledge about costing, marketing, accounting, etc. The external causes, the energy crisis. The energy crisis arising out of power cut imposed by the state governments or shortage of coal, oil have been a serious problem for a many industry unit. Irregular supply of inputs. Inability to unit to achieve optimum capacity due to shortage of raw materials. And third is infrastructural problems like transport bottlenecks, etc. The shortage of working capital, liquidity constraints, recession. In a marketing resulting from a step fall in quantum of demand for industry product by credit restraints that result in a unsold stocks and losses in industrial units. The artificial income constraints, due to the artificial income constraints, for example, the government control for product mix and prices, etc. The official or government policies, frequent change in a government policy in connection with industry license, taxation, power tariff, import, export, etc. Thank you.